The EPA and state water agencies are cracking down on PFAS, those forever chemicals that are found in our water supply.
And Action News Now reporter Emilio Del Carpio joins us, or tells us now what Cal Water is doing to make the water in Chico safer.
In Chico, Cal Water is already taking action. This week, crews began upgrading water infrastructure in central parts of the city, installing new treatment systems designed to remove PFAS before the water ever reaches the tap. PFAS are man-made chemicals that can move easily through water, which is why the EPA is tightening the rules. Under the new regulation, water systems nationwide must begin monitoring for these cancer-causing chemicals by 2027, and by 2029, they'll be required to meet much stricter limits.
Yeah, so these PFAS compounds that we're installing treatment for, we've been aware of them since about 2013. However, there hasn't been a regulatory standard for this until April of 2025. It was put in place by the federal government. They're part of a lot of everyday products, anything kind of water resistant, Teflon type materials.
So what does that federal crackdown actually look like on the ground? To find out, I came here to walk the site and get a first-hand look at the system Cal Water is building to meet those new standards. I'm at the location of one of the multiple vessels around here in Chico. It's right behind me. As you can see, this thing is massive. It's basically like a giant Brita filter. Water comes in that's heavy with PFAS. It's filtered out until it's safe enough to go into our water supply. Inside those massive steel vessels is granular activated carbon, the same material used in everyday Brita filters, just on an industrial scale. As the water flows through, the carbon acts like a magnet, grabbing onto PFAS chemicals and holding them in place. That process keeps those contaminants from moving forward, allowing cleaner, safer water to flow into Chico's drinking water system. So the funding for this project, where is that all coming from?
So we are actually part of a class action lawsuit that is going after the manufacturers of these compounds. We are still in the settlement phase. We will be getting some money from those compound manufacturers to offset the cost to our customers, but we know it's not going to cover all of it.
Marquis says this project comes with a $40 million price tag. Part of that funding comes from a class action lawsuit going after the manufacturers of these forever chemicals. Among the companies he named are DuPont and 3M. In Chico, Emilio Del Carpio, Action News Now.
Construction is expected to be finished, 14 filters at the site that by the end of this year.